Okay, this is how far 3 number 1, which is very much like one of the test questions. Okay, so Helen Wheels launches a rocket in the air for a total of 7.48 seconds. Right, and so the deal with that, if it goes in the air for 7.48 seconds and its initial and final elevation, right, are the same, that is, you start from the ground, hit the ground, we can just divide that by 2 and it spends half the time going up, half the time going down. So 7.48 divided by 2, 3.74 seconds going up, 3.74 going down. 3.74 seconds going down, right? So the first question says, what time did it spend going up? 3.74. 3.74 going down. What is its initial velocity? Well, x, vi, vf, a and t at the top. What's the velocity at the top? 0, there we go, right? And then the initial is we don't know. A is negative 9.8, and then this is 3.74. So this is very much like the quiz, yes? Yeah, yeah. Okay, so this is good. And then I can find the initial velocity using vi plus is equal, or vf is vi plus at, right? So 0 equals vi plus negative 9.8 times t. So basically it's, t is 3.74, right? So 9.8 times 3.74, 36.652. Yeah. Okay, so there's our answer, and 36.7, sure, okay. I'm just doing that, okay. So its initial velocity, its final velocity, we're talking about the whole thing here. So it starts off going 36.65 meters per second up, and when it hits the ground, it's going down 36.65 meters per second, because what goes up comes down at the same speed, right? But it's just going down, right? And that's only true, though, if it's the same elevation like this. So like the red elk question, that's not true. Then it says, how high did it go? We can solve that one. I'm going to use, I guess I'll use VF squared is VI squared plus 2AX, because I don't have a formula that will just do it like this, right? In other words, I don't have no VI. They all have VI in it. So 0 squared is 36.652 squared, right? Plus 2 times. Say it again. How to do it? Look at the video online.
I tried.
X. It is in. Here, let me show you. So you go syllabi in class video. Click on your syllabus, right, and then it's right there. Okay, so now we're solving this. So I'm going to square this. Divided by 2 divided by 9.8, and that's 68.53 meters is how high it goes. That's an 8. 68.53. Did we get that right? Yes, we did. Okay, so now we've answered how high did it go, and then it says what is the rocket's velocity at 50 meters? Why are there 2 answers? Well, it goes 68 meters high, right? So 50 meters is like here. It's going to pass that on the way up and the way down. So there will be a positive and a negative answer that are equally true, right? So to do that, to do 50 meters, right, we're going to do x is 50, vi is 36.652, vf is we don't know, a is negative 9.8, and t is we don't know and we don't care, right? And then I'm going to use vf squared is vi squared plus 2ax. So 6.652 squared plus 2 times negative 9.8. Don't forget the negative, right? Times 50 equals VF squared, right? So that guy squared plus 2 times negative 9.8 times 50 is like 363, and then I'm going to square root that. And you get 19.06. And that's the absolute value of EF, is 19.1 meters per second. It's like 19.0622, right? And so what it is on the way up, it's plus 19.1. On the way down, it's negative 19.1. So there's two answers for why it is the way it is. It's because it's a square root of a square, it could be positive or negative, or because on the way up, it's positive 19.1, on the way down, it's negative 19.1, right? And then just for kicks, it's in the air for 7.48 seconds, so at 6 seconds, where is it? So let's say they ask you at 6 seconds, where is it? Well, we do the same thing, right? This is our initial velocity, 36.652. We don't know what the final velocity is. The acceleration is negative 9.8, right? X is equal to, we don't know, right? So let's figure this whole thing out, right? So this is just not, this isn't in how far 3, I'm just adding it because what if they asked you? What if, right? Okay, so I'm going to use, for the final velocity, I'm going to use V final, is V initial plus AT, right? So this guy plus this times this, 36.652 plus negative 9.8 times 6. So the velocity is negative 22. So it's on its way down, but it hasn't hit the ground yet because when it hits the ground, it'll be going that fast, right? So it hasn't quite hit the ground yet, right? And then X we can figure out, I'm going to use VIT. X is VIT plus 1/2 AT squared. So it's this guy times this plus 1/2 this times this squared, right? 36.652 times 6 plus 0.5 times negative 9.8 times 6 squared. 43.512. So at 6 seconds, it's actually here, like here. It's on its way down at 22.148. So it's faster. It's faster than it was here. So it's lower, it's faster. And it is 43.512 meters in the air, so it's below 50, it's like there. I just added that because just what if they ask you that on the test? Wouldn't that be terrible and you didn't know? It is on the test.